All right, well, I'm back out in the garage again. I'm trying to finish up the last bit of white, and once that's done, I am completely done with the painting, other than some of the black on the wheel wells and the frame. So if I get this white painted on the tailgate, then I can bolt the hinges back up, put the gate on the hinges, and get the bumper on, and then at least that way everything's kind of tucked away where it should be, and then I'm not, risking messing up what I just finished up. So I do want to leave the paint sit as long as I can. It's probably been 4 or 5 days now. So that said, let's get started. All right, here I'm using the shop light to check my work. I don't see anything crazy. I did forget to use my tack cloth before shooting, so I got some dust in there. But hopefully once I'm reassembled, I can wet sand, so I'm not too worried about it. All right, I'm gonna straighten up a little bit, and then I'm gonna add the filler panels to the back and get this bumper hung on, and then bolt up the hinge and get the gate bolted in. I don't know if I'll get it adjusted, but it's totally been gutted, so I gotta reinsert all the insides and the latch and all that. So I'm not sure if I'll do that off the car or on the car, but that's what I'm setting out to do for today. It's kind of late in the day, and my daughter and I are going to go to a car show and grab some food and hang out for a bit, maybe hook up with some friends, and maybe the next car show I'll make. We'll see. see this, but eventually I'm going to remake this piece as one solid piece, and I'm going to extend it down into this seam like the stock filler panel. What I did here, because I didn't have the sense to do this before I painted, I didn't want to get all crazy with fitting, and I can get a little nutty. So this kind of just trims it out. It gets lost in color. It'll be good for now, and then it'll give me something to do in the fall. I'm probably gonna take the car down or scuff it and reshoot it anyway. So that's my plan. We'll see. Here I'm getting the light housings put back into the bumper, and then going to be bolting that bumper up. True to my form, I either didn't hit record or I lost the footage of the assembly, but I got the tailgate on, I got the bumper refitted, and it turned out pretty well. So I'll have to get to the guts of the tailgate and get that reassembled, and then it'll be on to installing the window and the trim and the door hardware, get the tires and wheels back on, and calling it done. So hopefully that'll happen soon enough. I'd like to thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification button, and we'll see you on the next one.